Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and I am back with another video. And I just wanted to show you before I get started with the video, I just wanted to show you what I did to my bedroom curtains. Same thing as I did in the dining area, and the same thing that's over here. So that's why I wanted to show y'all. Let's see if I can get y'all some good light. Okay, so what I did, I used these shower hooks. These are from Dollar Tree, and they're clear. I don't know if y'all remember when I hauled them, and I said that I was going to use them as curtain tiebacks. Because the ones that I have in my dining room, they're shower hooks also, but they're shaped different, and they're chrome. Now, on this window, I used the napkin rings that I bought from Z Gallery. They're white, beaded, and clear beaded. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. So let me get started with the purpose of this video. All right, y'all. So this is another one of my bed in a bag videos. Okay. The last one I did was maybe about 2 months ago. That one was from Burlington, and I had got a king size comforter set. I think it was 6 pieces, and it was like $44. But this time, y'all, I went to Walmart and I found another bed in a bag. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. Now, this is how it works with my bed in a bag, okay? What I do is I show you the comforter and we set it up. I set it up just how it is on the packaging. I don't add any extra pillows. I just show you what it looks like once you set it up on your bed. And if you decide you want to add this and you want to add that, then you go right ahead. But just sit back and enjoy the video. I'm just showing you what the bed in the bag look like when it's set up. And if you want to add something, you can, but I'm just showing y'all what it's going to look like. So if you want to see this video, keep on watching. All right, you guys, so here it is. Now, let's just get a look at it before I open it up. This is a king size. It's by Mainstays. Comforter set. 7 pieces. Now, the 7 pieces, you get 1 king comforter, 2 king pillow shams, and 3 decorative pillows, and you get 1 king tailored bed skirt. But you guys know I'm not going to use the bed skirt. I don't need it, being that my bed it's a whole bed. It has the side rails and all that stuff, footboard. Okay, but this is what the comforter looks like. Look at that. So you guys can see that. All right, so let's get it open and see what she looks like.